Hey everyone, welcome back to Catch Idea. Today, I'm diving into one of the most influential business books of the last decade, The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a seasoned business owner, or just someone curious about how startups succeed, this book is a goldmine of practical advice. I'll break down the key concepts, share real-world examples, and explain why this book is a must-read. Let's get started. What is the Lean Startup? The Lean Startup is a methodology for building and growing businesses in a way that minimizes risk and maximizes efficiency. Background: Eric Ries, a Silicon Valley entrepreneur, developed this approach after his own startup failures and successes. He combined principles from lean manufacturing, think Toyota's production system, with agile development to create a framework that helps startups innovate faster and smarter. The core idea: instead of spending years building a product in isolation, only to find out nobody wants it, startups should focus on rapid experimentation, customer feedback, and iterative design. This way you can test your assumptions early and often, saving time, money, and resources. Key Concept 1. The Build, Measure, Learn Feedback Loop. The heart of the Lean Startup is the Build, Measure, Learn Feedback Loop. Here's how it works. Build. Create a minimum viable product, MVP. The simplest version of your product that allows you to test your idea. Measure. Launch the MVP and collect data on how customers interact with it. Learn. Use that data to validate or invalidate your assumptions and decide whether to pivot or persevere. Importance: why it's important. This loop helps you avoid the common pitfall of building something nobody wants. Instead of guessing what customers need, you let their behavior guide your decisions. Example. Dropbox is a classic example. Instead of building the full product right away, they created a simple video explaining how it would work. The overwhelming positive response validated their idea, and they went on to build one of the most successful cloud storage platforms. Key Concept 2. Minimum Viable Product, or MVP. The MVP is one of the most talked about ideas in the Lean Startup. It's not about creating a perfect product, it's about creating something that allows you to start learning as quickly as possible. Why is it important? An MVP helps you test your riskiest assumptions without wasting time or resources. It's about getting feedback early and often. Example. Zappos, the online shoe retailer, started by taking photos of shoes in local stores and posting them online. When someone ordered a pair, they'd buy the shoes from the store and ship them. This MVP allowed them to test the demand for online shoe shopping without building a massive inventory system up front. Key Concept 3. Pivot or persevere. One of the most powerful ideas in the book is the concept of the pivot. A pivot is a strategic shift in direction based on what you've learned from your MVP. It's not a failure, it's a smart way to adapt to customer needs. Why is it important? Pivoting allows you to stay agile and responsive. If your initial idea isn't working, you can change course before it's too late. Instagram started as a location-based app called Bourbon. When they realized users were more interested in the photo sharing feature, they pivoted to focus solely on that. The rest is history. Key Concept 4. Innovation Accounting. Innovation accounting is a way to measure progress in a startup environment. Traditional accounting methods don't work well for startups because they focus on revenue and profit, which might not be relevant in the early stages. Instead, innovation accounting focuses on actionable metrics like customer engagement, retention, and conversion rates. Why it's important? It helps you stay focused on what truly matters, learning and growth, rather than vanity metrics like downloads or page views. Example. A startup might track how many users complete a specific action, like signing up for a trial, rather than just counting total visitors. This gives them a clearer picture of whether their product is resonating with customers. Final thoughts and why you should read it. The Lean Startup is more than just a book, it's a mindset. It teaches you how to build a business in a way that's efficient, customer-focused, and adaptable. Whether you're launching a tech startup, a small business, or even a new product within an established company, the principles in this book can help you succeed. If you're looking for a practical, actionable guide to entrepreneurship, this is it. I highly recommend it to anyone who wants to innovate smarter, not harder. Call to action. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more book reviews and business tips. Have you read The Lean Startup? What did you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any book recommendations for future reviews, drop those too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.